Hey, greetings, Finn. Larry here with Larry's Fountain Pen Review doing mail call. And I want you to be waiting for my next pen carry. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to have a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but a whole lot of love. So let's get to this mail call. What's in here? Well, let's open it up and find out. I think I kind of know what it is, but we'll find out for sure. I don't want to tear it. A friend of mine, he's an artist. He's you can find him on a lot of the pen groups, well-known guy. He painted a picture of me, and kind of like the Einstein kind of look, but kind of gave it his own little twist to it. Different, unique, and here's the shirt. What does it say, Mr. Announcer?
Uncle Larry, we're so sorry.
Now, we added the what?
Peace and love.
Yeah, peace and love to it. So what do y'all think? There it is. So, and we put the name down there of the artist. What's the name, Mr. Announcer? Craig what?
I think it's Williams.
Okay, is that what it is?
Let me look closer. Yes, I believe so.
Okay, so, all right, Craig, here's mine. So, Craig, I don't know how you got yours before I got mine, but anyway, it's here. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for all your support. Awesome, brother! So, now, it's time for Mr. Announcer and I to go do a jam, I think, would be kind of the appropriate word. So we're going to go buzz some sounds and see what we can create. Peace, love, wash your hands. Don't forget, don't text and drive. And bam.